The road to hell is paved by good intentions, and that's how many invasive species were introduced. The introduction of some foreign plants and animals was meant to help fledgling industries and support local livelihoods. But decades on, many non-native species have caused lasting environmental damage, with a 4-year study finding they cost the global economy a whopping $664 billion per year.
So we have been able to document that invasive alien species are a major threat to biodiversity, but not only to biodiversity, but also to the things that biodiversity provides to us and our quality of life. And we've been able to demonstrate that invasive alien species are a huge problem. We have about 37,000 alien species documented at the moment, but we also know that it's a problem that's going to get much, much worse.
The report has found invasive species also played a key role in 60% of recorded plant and animal extinctions. They've also been blamed for helping make fires more destructive.
There's a very, of course, unfortunate case right now where in Hawaii with the terrible fires that we've seen. This has been linked to the proliferation of some African grasses that have grown there and which are used to a different fire regime, meaning that they grow, they burn, they grow, they burn very quickly.
While some species are introduced, others are accidental arrivals, travelling on cargo ships and the containers in their holds. Once these species enter a new environment, many end up outcompeting native wildlife and threatening human health and livelihoods.
This is not a new phenomenon, but what's new, much like climate change and other threats to global biodiversity in the biosphere, is the rate at which it's occurring. And this is truly troublesome for us. Our estimates are that if we continue along the lines that we have now, we'll see another 37% or so increase in invasive species by 2050.
A global treaty to protect biodiversity, hammered out in Montreal last December, aims to halve the rate at which invasive alien species spread by 2030. But as the world's population rises and the impacts of climate change increase, that's expected to become harder to achieve. Madison Watt, ABC News.